Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax coming to you from a very rainy Dania Beach, Florida. You can hear it on the roof of the dry store. This is a 250 Sun Deck 2023. Looks exactly like a 2023 Sun Deck kept inside a building should look. No rips, tears. I'm not seeing chips or anything. That's that folding seat in the back. And then what's cool on these Sun Decks, now it's in the forward position, giving me all this extra space back here on the swim platform. Access to my ski locker here, port side. And slide water skis right up in there. Drink holders, speakers on the back. You see the cool blue lights. Got a remote control for the Fusion stereo. There's the battery switch on this Sun Deck. Super easy to get to, no hatches to go in or whatnot. Starboard side under the seat. Included with the boat is an igloo cooler. You'll see it better in the still photos. Sorry, it's dark in here, folks. The rain. Digital throttle and shift. Active trim. You have the digital dash, depth, GPS, engine information, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. I have the cool blue lights on. If you flick them the other way, you go to the white footlights around the boat. One of the nice features on this 25 is a large headspace. Let's see if we get the light on in here. All right. That cushion flips down. You'll see it in the still pictures. It covers the head. You can even put a little one to sleep down there. All right, we'll kill the light so I don't forget. All the dash cover, everything looks really nice on this boat. Another cool feature of this 25 is a little glove box right here on the door. Place to throw the sunglasses, the phone. Over here on port side, you have the built-in battery charger, which you can plug in there. You have two tables for this boat, the large square table for the cockpit and the round table for the bow area. You can flip all these seats forward and make it much bigger in here, which is nice. There you'll see one of the table legs and the anchor light and the other table legs right there. You have this big ski locker in the floor. There's the big rectangular table. There's the smaller round table for the bow. You can use the round table in back and it gives you a bigger cockpit space, which is nice. All right, this is the Sea Ray Sports Tower in black that you can tow from. He has the big kicker speakers up there that were an option. You have the bimini there. See speakers throughout the boat. Coming up forward, another igloo cooler that comes with the boat. Good seating up here. I like the asymmetrical walkway. It gives me more space to lay down up here. Boat will come with that Danforth anchor. There's your bow ladder for beach boarding. Another sprayer, like you had one in the back and one in the front for when you come up with sandy toes. All right, call Mike Ehrlich at MarineMax. 954-684-1375 to see this awesome 2023 250 SDX 300 horse.